Hello guys, so once again, this is Sales Richard Paul here at Eternitas Chapels and Columbarium. Time check tayo, ma'am and sir. So it's around 1 a.m. in the morning. So kasi naka-schedule for morning kami 2 p.m. to 2 a.m. So last month studying na tayo dito sa Eternitas. So earlier, okay lang, may night tripping na po tayo for chapel and columbariums. And ngayon, wala nang tao dito sa Eternitas Chapels and Columbarium. So as you can see, ayan, wala na. So tinatapos lang natin, ma'am and sir, yung ating tapos ko lang po yung duty namin dito. So siguro mga around mga 1:20 out na tayo. So ulitin ko lang po, ma'am and sir, ha. So ngayon may ongoing promo po kami for as low as 25% discount. Kung i-spot cash nyo po yung columbarium, any location po, it's either Superior Premium, Garden View, Shera View, and Garden Terraces. You can avail it for as low as 25% discount. And also, we also offer here at Eternitas Chapels mga funeral services or chapel services. At need, meron kaming burial or memorial packages, cremation packages, viewing before cremation, and lastly, direct cremation. Yung po yung cremated na. And kung kukuha po kayo ng columbarium or vault, meron po kaming setup which is pre-arranged, available exclusively for vault owners. 25% DP, issue lang po ng 12 months PDC check. Pero kung at need po, babayaran nyo po yung whole amount nung package, pero hindi po kayo mabibigo kasi maganda naman po at malaki po yung services ni Eternitas. And this is the first ever hotel columbarium here in Quezon City, Philippines. Kung naghahanap po kayo ng mga available po na columbariums or mga investment po, pwede rin po siya investment, ma'am and sir, ang columbariums po namin, since na pre-need. Yung iba po kasi ang ginagawa, investment po talaga. So, yung isang columbarium po namin, ang kinaganda po ng columbarium po namin dito sa Eternitas Chapels and Columbarium, it can fit up to 4 standard size urns. Tapos, perpetual ownership po siya, ma'am and sir. High value appreciation, worry-free investment, and very accessible. Highly accessible because it's Commonwealth Quezon City. Built-in quality. So, first floor namin is offices, lobby, garden atrium with falls, chapel offices, and then lastly, yung second floor hanggang 7th floor po namin, funeral chapels or service chapels, 9th floor and 10th floor columbariums. Unlike any other chapels and columbariums, ang columbariums po namin is located around 9th floor to 10th floor. So guys, kung naghahanap po kayo ng investment or naghahanap kayo ng mga columbariums, like follow nyo lang po si Sales Richard Paul or Richard Paul Cipriano here at Eternitas Chapels and Columbariums. Bye bye po.